Hi guys, I'm Andrea, I'm Italian. I've been trading for 11 years, Bitcoin, altcoin, penny stocks, everything that you can imagine, okay? I want to start to analyze the Standard & Poor, then going to analyze the BTC chart, okay? Trying to understand where we will go. Sorry for my English, not so good, but I'm good at trading. I think is enough, okay guys? Just joking, don't worry. Let's start with the Standard & Poor. We are on the SP 500, the futures. As you can see, I have a channel here, the yellow one, defined from those two trend lines. It worked for a lot of time. Okay, guys. Breaking down, we have dumps here and here. Every time that we try to break it up, we have been staying above just for some weeks. So it's important, this channel is important to define mostly the top, a point that we don't want to break. As you can see here, we try to break the support of the channel. Was the day of earnings, NVIDIA earnings, and then we fake out, we found support on this candle, okay? Back in. I'm speaking about the Standard & Poor because if we have strength on the Standard & Poor, it's more probable that we have a nice move up or at least a little bit of move up on the Bitcoin chart. So we broke this descending trend line. We try to stay above. We found support 1-2 times and we are going up. Up where? We are at resistance now, the Fibonacci level 1.382. We try to break it 1, 2, 3 times. This is the fourth time. I think we will break it. We'll go to try to reach at least the $7,000. Maybe higher, maybe 7,120, around this level, okay? Now we have a prediction, call it like that, of the Standard & Poor. Now, guys, we are on the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, I use a lot trend line, but I will show you other charts, okay? This is a part of my analysis. Trend line are working perfectly for me. I'm using them a lot. As you can see, to track them, to draw them, I use as an anchor point the body of the candles, okay? The orange one that is working perfectly now as a resistance, start from here as a second anchor point. I took this one. The red one, if we are going lower, start from 2020, anchor point here, here. And look how it worked almost perfectly here as a support, okay, guys? That's why I'm using them. The orange, I already spoke about it. So the blue one, look at that. I took this spot and then the bottom of this consolidation zone. And now it's working as a support. Same thing that's happened here, as you can see. So it's a part of my analysis. Those trend line doesn't give me a specific entry point, but an area to take a look of. Now, as you can see, we are inside this consolidation zone. Call it like that. Okay, we have almost the same here. In the past, happened again. Let me see. Okay, you can see here. Sorry, guys, it's a little bit messy, but you can see another consolidation zone here. Hopefully, this is a consolidation that will bring us to the new all-time high. But let's speak about that a little bit more. If we break down here, it's very probable that we'll go to test this area, okay? Around this trend line. So it's very probable that we'll go to visit the 75K. If we break the 75K, we have this trend line that for me is very strong. It could be the beginning of the second part of the bull market, yes, because I don't think this is a normal bear market. But suppose we don't have enough strength to go below this support, this trend line, ascending trend line. And we have instead the strength to break this resistance, the orange trend line. We have the other resistance that we will find for sure is 98K. I'm sure you know this level because every YouTuber is speaking about that. Anyway, I'm doing my own analysis that worked for me. Breaking this level, we have the red line here is the lower part of the fixed range volume profile, okay? Starting from the bottom to the top of this move. So another level of resistance is around 100K and half. And then I think if we will reach the 100K, we will try to go higher. For sure, we will find a resistance around 103, 104K. It's a stronger resistance level, guys. It's starting from behind, from here, from the top here. This is the first spot that we have to look at for a bigger correction. My best case is to go lower, breaking the support and visit the 75K zone, finding support here, and try to go higher, breaking everything, and going to visit the all-time high, okay? But this is a dream as for now. Not sure it's only a dream, but let's see. This is another chart. Okay, if you saw the other video that I posted yesterday, I have this violet trend line that divides strength zone to the weakness zone, above strength, below weakness. We are finding a resistance right there, right on this ascending trend line. We are at the support on this other trend line. I draw it taking in consideration this candle, body of the candle always, and this one. Okay, guys? So this is a support now. If again, if we have the strength to break it up, we can go at 98K. This is the same, more or less the same trend line that we saw before. Going up, if we break this resistance, we have 102.5. This is a Fibonacci level that I draw from the top of this cycle from to the bottom. So the area, for sure, because you saw the other chart, here we have almost the same levels, okay? We have a Fibonacci too. This top, this level, this Fibonacci level coincide with the top of this consolidation zone. So 100% will be a strong resistance between 102K and 104K. If we want to know other levels inside here, I use again Fibonacci levels. I know nobody used the Fibonacci as I used to do, but they work. They work, you will see. I have the first resistance again, 107, 108. The second one, I have a small golden pocket here around 110 and 111. Why? Look at that. It's exactly on this top here. Look. Okay, at this level. So this is the strongest level that we have to break. If the market maker want to destroy us, we have to go to visit the 170K at the 0.382 Fibonacci levels. This is in the middle of this consolidation zone, okay, long consolidation zone. This is a very strong level for a correction, the continuation of the bear market. Not sure yet, guys. I don't want to say we are in bear market. I know the cycle. I know everything. I know the price behavior. I have experience enough to recognize the situation of weakness. But there is something boiling up behind the scene. So let's see. I'm sure you got it. Just to recap, we have this level of resistance, 93, 95K, okay, that we have already tried to break it. Then we have this one around 97, 98K. Then we have this level, guys, between 104 and 102. And let's see, I have now the crystal balls. Going down, if we break this support, let's get back on this chart, okay. Going down, we can find some resistance around this level, obviously, double bottom, okay, or around 75K. If we break 75K, take a look at 67, between 70 and 67K. This will be the strongest spot for a big bounce. Anyway, a big bounce. Okay, guys. For today, it's everything. Thank you. Sorry for my English. I know it's annoying. I'm trying. Hopefully, you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.